Hello, dear students. Hope you all are doing good. So, today we will start Unit 15 Conditions of Fire Insurance Policy and their settlements of claims. Overview of the session. Essentials of fire insurance contract, risk covered under fire insurance, settlement of claims, documents required for claim. So, essentials of fire insurance contract. The parties to the contract should have the capacity to contract. He should not be a minor, adjudged insolvent, or insane. Second, the consideration of the contract should be lawful and not forbidden by the law. Third, the object of the contract should be lawful and not against the public policy or public interest. Fourth, the contract should have been concluded with the free consent, that is, without coercion, undue influence, fraud, or misrepresentation. Fifth, the insurer and insured are the parties to the fire insurance contract. The provisions of the Insurance Act 1938 define the insurer's role. The Act defines the insurer and renders his registration compulsory. Sixth, the contract should be backed by the presence of consideration. The premium paid by the assured to cover the risk is the consideration by the assured and made by the insurer to pay the compensation for the damage by fire is the consideration from the insurer. Seventh, the happening of events should be uncertain. Eighth, the presence of insurable interest is a must to validate the fire insurance contract. Ninth, the fire insurance contract, being a typical insurance contract, is a contract of uberrima fides, that is, utmost good faith, must be there between the insurer and the insured. 10th, the fire insurance contracts insure the property of the assured and are covered by the principles of general insurance. The contract of insurance cannot save the asset from the risk, but it can provide the compensation or replacement in place of the asset that is lost, damaged by fire. 11th, the contract of fire insurance comes into existence just as any other type of an insurance contract. The assured, by filing up the proposal and providing the information of the asset, insured submits the proposal of fire insurance contract to the insurer. The insurer, after verifying the facts and figures mentioned by the assured and satisfying himself, accepts the premium and issues the cover note or the policy document to the assured as a token of the conclusion of the contract. 12th, the fire insurance policies are of short duration. The period of the contract normally ranges up to 1 year. The policy has to be renewed after the expiry of the period of the insurance. Once the policy lapses, the cover also lapses. The renewals of the policy by paying the premium make the contract valid for another term on the original terms and conditions of the policy. The insurer issues a new policy document to the assured on renewal. Risks covered under fire insurance. A variety of risks are covered under a fire insurance policy, like damage caused due to explosion or implosion other than the destruction or damage caused to boilers, machinery, or apparatus that are used in specialized industries. The damage to aircraft or to the property dropped from the aircrafts. The damage caused from the missile testing operations, damage by bushfire excluding the forest fire loss, Destruction or damage caused to the insured property by pollution or contamination. Nuclear peril, loss or destruction caused to the stocks that are placed in cold store units is not covered by the fire policy. The property covered may be buildings, whether residential or commercial, furniture or machinery, or other property that are movable and tangible. Fire insurance will not cover the loss, destruction, or damage caused by war and kindred perils. Settlement of claims. Continue. Intimate the insurance company about a claim in your fire insurance policy. Once there is a fire accident on the insured property, the first step is to contact the fire brigade and the police immediately to help control the situation and minimize loss and damages. This is a crucial step which needs to be done immediately because any delay in contacting the fire brigade can be used by the fire insurance company against your claim as a deliberate delay. The next step is to inform the fire insurance company about the fire accident as soon as possible and to register a claim under the fire insurance policy. You can register a claim under the fire insurance policy by taking the assistance of your fire insurance broker and submitting a proof of loss claim detailing the assets that were damaged or destroyed. The insured party should provide the following information to the fire insurance company in the fire insurance claims request: date and time of the incident, location of the fire incident, loss or damage to assets, brief description of the fire accident, any injuries sustained because of the incident, and police FIR copy. Estimate total losses under the fire insurance policy. It is essential to submit an estimate of the total losses to the fire insurance company. The insured needs to create an estimate of the losses incurred following the fire accident and keep them ready before the surveyor visits your premises. The insured parties should also ensure that burned items are not disposed. Damaged assets are not repaired without the approval of the fire insurance company. Evidence of the damaged assets has to be preserved for the surveyor. Third, surveyor's loss estimation under the fire insurance policy. Once a claim is registered under the fire insurance policy, the insurance company appoints a surveyor who assesses the damage at the insured property. The claim estimation amount is based on the surveyor's report. Hence, the insured should fully cooperate with the surveyor to enable smooth processing of the fire insurance claim. Finally, the insured needs to submit a completed claim from form including the proof of loss like the photographs of the damaged property and the estimated repair cost based on the assessment made by an independent authority. Ask for an advance against the total claim amount. The insured can also be eligible to get an advance from the fire insurance claim amount to deal with immediate expenses which needs to be incurred following a fire accident as a part of the fire insurance policy. This advance amount is deducted from the total claim amount. Hence, the insured should be careful to purchase only the essential requirements after confirming the advance amount with the fire insurance company. Documents required for claim. To claim the fire insurance policy, you will need to produce to the insurance company the document mentioned below: an authorized copy of your insurance policy, duly filed insurance claim form, photographs of the site, forensic report, reports of the fire brigade if necessary, and investigation reports. Thank you. The session is over now.